Hey y'all, in this video I will be showing you how I installed this custom color lace frontal wig from my wig line. Start off by sectioning out your client's ears and cutting the lace from around the ear. Before putting the wig on the client's head, you can use a hot comb to press the hair backwards so that you can see the hairline. Make sure you cut the lace from behind the client's ear. Do the same thing on the opposite side. I normally let my clients wear their mask whenever I'm doing this step so that I can make sure that there's no problems with the mask being on. Have your clients hold the lace in place while you're cutting. Make sure you go in and cut off any extra lace that may be overlapping the client's ear. Before applying the glue, you want to make sure that you clean your client's skin with Sea Breeze, add a sweat resistant spray, and a skin guard to protect your client's skin. Apply the glue in thin layers. I like using the Erica J Hold Me Down and Bow Hold by the hair diagram. Apply the glue in sections. Allow it to dry clear before applying another layer. I like to do 4 or 5 layers on each side. After you comb the hair into the lace, go in with a zigzag motion and separate any hair that didn't get glued down. Then you will cut the remaining lace. Before cutting the lace, go in with your blow dryer on cool and go over the lace. Using a Ruby Kisses foundation, a shade darker than your client, go in and cover any lace that you may see before applying the melt band. Separate your baby hairs before applying your melt band as well. Doing so makes it easier when swooping the baby hair. I like to sit my clients under the dryer for about 15 minutes to allow the lace to melt even better. Y'all, she already knew she was going to be melted. Now she can't stop smiling. But to do my baby hair, I like to use Gorilla Snot and foam. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel for more.